The browser is sending a request. So now I am making all this invisible, and I am showing only the application and the endpoints only. And the request is response. It is responding to the request. So this web server is otherwise known as Internet Information Server. So you want to publish a web page, website, company starting a website, you have having a website, where you publish it? You have a Internet Information Server in your network, and you will put that page in its directory. In the directory, you have its directory, virtual directory, and it will come there. You will mention default path, like that you mention index.html, or you mention that default or HTML you mention, and from that it will be giving links to other pages, other HTML files. Okay?
The graduates here are very keen and attentive, and they are very curious in grasping the knowledge given in the class. These sessions are very useful for graduates who are very keen in finding a job. I could measure the students' standard, and I could teach them according to their level. And I have tried my very best in this session.